What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Just got over here to the shop. We got this car pushed out. We're fixing to fire it up. We're gonna go make a little test hit. Make sure the transmission is driving good. We're gonna go kart style. I'm gonna have to put on my helmet. We ain't got no front windshield on it. We're gonna get the body back on it. Hopefully the next couple days. We are gonna go racing next weekend. It's really cold out here today. I don't know if y'all have ever seen me with a hoodie on and like pulled down tight. Jeremy, one of my coworkers, he actually came over to help me out a little bit today. He don't stay too far from Brian's. So we're gonna have fun. We're gonna mess with this thing for a few minutes and go see how the transmissions work and try to play with converter pressure. Probably try to make a little test hit. Don't tell nobody. We're gonna do like a little hit. We probably ain't gonna pour a puddle. It's so cold I can't hardly talk. My lips and tongue are just like, it is not working out. It is not working out at all. But we're about to do this thing. Let's go make a pass. Comment, like, and subscribe. If y'all want a chance to win a piece of the old race car, we're selling keychains. If you'll go to turbojohnracing.com to go check out the keychains. And if y'all want to purchase one, you'll get entered to win. We're only doing a limited quantity of 50. Once we hit 50, we're going to do a draw, and then somebody's going to get that wheel. It's going to be pretty cool. Appreciate it, guys. All right, guys, here we go. So we're about to fire this thing up. The temperature out here now is like 32 degrees, 34 degrees. We're going to crank this thing up. We just got more transmission fluid in it. The little pump thing that we were using works great. A lot of people ask what kind of transmission fluid we use, and we use Castro Blue hydraulic oil. You can get it from O'Reilly's, 5 gallons for $99. That's actually pretty cheap. When you do the math on that, that's cheaper than regular transmission fluid. All right, let's crank this thing up real fast. Crank it up, get it warmed up, check the transmission fluid. Right now, we've got 9 quarts of fluid in it. We can't remember, and it depends on the pan and all that stuff too. So let's crank it up real fast. Now, of course, this is a brake clean baby. So what we mean by brake clean baby, get flammable brake clean, especially when it's this cold outside. And what I like to do is I'll shoot 2 or 3 seconds down in the turbo, and then I'll also squirt it into a vacuum line, and then that's what really gets it to fire off quick. Look, and if you guys want some helmet work done, he's got you over here too. Facebook Perfection Paintworks. All right, guys, it was cold, but it started up. It was started up pretty good. Converter pressure seems to be fine. Everything seems to be good. So trans brake spool up test worked phenomenal. That thing spools right up, man. It made 3 pounds of boost. So we're gonna go. We gotta put some fluid in it. Not some fluid. Transmission fluid was fine. We gotta put some fuel in it. We need some fuel. We gotta put fuel in it, and then we're going to go down there and we're gonna make. I'll make us a little shakedown pass, just a little, and make sure everything seems good.
What's up?
Bro, that was a little sketchy. That thing with no weight on the back, there's no body on the back.
Oh God, I forgot about
There's
that.
zero weight. It's probably 70% on the nose. It's just spinning the whole time.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. All right, guys. Well, I guess that's it for today. We got accomplished what we were wanting to accomplish. Jeremy, what did you think about that?
I thought it was all right.
It was interesting. That second one coming back, I stayed on it a little longer than I did the first time. And if you notice, all my weight that we had in the car is outside the car. And no body, all the body weight is back here. So this thing is probably 70% on the nose. So it ain't going to do nothing but try to spin right there. So that's okay though. So that's what we were trying to do, is to make sure the transmission was working good. Converter pressure looks like it's working good. Looks like it was about 85, 90 PSI, which is exactly where we want it. So Anton knocked the transmission out apart. Lightning Quick glides. Y'all go check him out. So I think we're going to be good to go there. Now, one of the things with it set up the way it is here, you know, we didn't get real good data, of course. We looked at the data log, and it made boost, and it was trying to make boost, and it was going, but it just had wheel speed. And if you heard it, it was kind of surging. That was traction control, it was pulling timing out, trying to get the back wheels to stop spinning. And of course it was unsuccessful. But yeah, guys, I'm excited. So I think we're good to go. We're going to get this weight back in the car, remount this stuff back in there, and then we'll get the body back on it next couple days. Brian's going to redo the front end, or get the front end permanently mounted on. And so we'll have hopefully a good looking, decent looking race car next weekend. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see y'all. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate you coming out and helping, Jeremy.
Yep, you're welcome, man.
Later, guys.